Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Valorant completely. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if your Valorant application is opened, you need to close this application. So after that, you need to go to the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you need to click on this little button, show hidden icons. Then you need to find and right click on right client icon, and then you need to click on the exit button. After that, you need to go to the bottom left corner and then click on this search bar, and then you need to type add or remove programs, and then click on this application. After that, you will see this interface. You need to click on this search bar and type Valorant here. Then you need to click on this application and click on uninstall button. Then uninstall again. After, you will see this little window, so you need to wait until your Valorant application will be uninstalled. So after that, you need to click on this red button, done. After that, you can go to your computer files. Then you need, on the left side in this list of options, you need to go to your folder where your Valorant is installed. For example, for me it's local disk C. Then you need to find a Riot Games folder, then click on that and delete Valorant folder here if there are that one folder. So after that, you can actually delete Riot Games folder completely. So, and that's all, and that's how to uninstall Valorant completely. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.